Starting a business sounds risky, right? What if I told you there's a way to start with zero risk? Today, I'll show you exactly how to launch your dream venture without betting your savings or quitting your job. By zero risk, I mean starting a business with minimal financial investment, time flexibility, and scalable potential. Think side hustles, freelancing, or online opportunities where you only pay as you earn. Step 1. Start small and validate your idea. Test your idea on a small scale. Use free tools like Google Forms to gather feedback or platforms like Etsy to test product demand. Step 2. Leverage free resources. Start with what's free. Design your brand using free tools and build a simple website without paying upfront. Step 3. Build on your skills. Turn your existing skills into income. Freelancing platforms let you start earning without creating a product. Step 4. Use low-risk business models. Consider business models like dropshipping or affiliate marketing, where you sell without holding inventory. Focus on learning and adaptability. Instead of quitting your job, work part-time on your business until it grows. Network with mentors or join free business communities. Starting a business doesn't have to be risky or expensive. It's all about starting small, being resourceful, and growing step by step. Are you ready to start your journey? If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more ways to build your dream life.